There's a story. I have lost my father in 2016. I was away somewhere else. I didn't get any time to cry or sit down and think what just happened. And I cannot cry in front of people. But I was very close with my father. He was like the only person on the face of earth who can understand me. So those days are very painful for me, as I couldn't express the sadness. I developed depression. I had to face everything, had to become strong. But in the meantime, I was getting more and more upset and getting depressed. And it was getting out of control, so I had to go to the doctor and I had to take the medicine as prescribed. Antidepressants are good to some extent, but if you talk about long-term effects, it is bad, at least for me. I took antidepressants for almost 2 years, and I'd never like to go back or relive that life again. And most important thing is it makes you emotionally numb. It's a fact. At least for me it was. Antidepressants will make you like a zombie. A zombie who cannot feel pain, sadness, happiness, anything. My mind was numb. I couldn't think. I couldn't focus. I couldn't feel the happiness, the sadness, the excitement, or anything in between. I was just numb. If I compare my brain with a slate, there was nothing written on it. It was just a blank board. Even if I wanted to think about something, I couldn't. Within seconds, it became empty again. It was every day the same thing. And I'm a girl, I'm a person who loves to think about stuff. Why the things are the way they are, how the universe works, how relationship works, how our society works, environment. There are so many things which I love to think about. I am a thinker. So, as a deep thinker, and I'm an introvert as well. So, this emotional numbness caused by the antidepressants was not really helping me. I felt lost. I felt bad. Thank God, at least I could feel bad. But those time was horrible for me. I cannot even describe. A person who has never gone through this type of process will never understand. It's a numbness. It's a lack of emotion. An emptiness. No happiness. No sadness. Can you think about it? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Nothing is there. Like, nothing is there. It's a scary feeling, and the fact is, I cannot make anyone understand this. Only the people who has gone through this process will understand what I'm talking about and how scary it is sometimes. It is scary to me right now, but that time it was not even scary, because getting scared is a feeling, and my mind was numb. I couldn't process anything. So gradually I understood taking antidepressants for solving my problem is not a good idea. Gradually, I decreased my dose half and then I stopped altogether. Right now, I'm depressed or not? Yes, I am still, because I have seen deaths like within 2 years, so many deaths of my close ones. But I'm trying to solve, or I'm trying to leave. Just, I don't want to take antidepressants anymore. I believe in counseling. I believe in self assessment, but not some medicines anymore. Medicines is a easy cure. Sometimes it is needed,